This one is called Venezia in the color Crushed Almond R. Let's chat about this beautiful wig style. Venezia is your classic mid-length bob style cut. It has some beautiful, almost shag-like layering to it. It's absolutely the perfect length, just above the collar on most people. This is flattering, and it also helps the wig last a little bit longer because you're going to eliminate a lot of friction. Now remember, you can find these styles at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. So it just doesn't get any more natural looking than this Venezia. It's a nice, light, natural feeling density. It's made from that heat-friendly fiber, super lightweight, very feathery fine, and buttery feeling. The overall length on this is only around 11 to 12 inches. So again, very flattering length. And also in the front here, you're going to see anywhere between 8 and 11 inches on these front pieces that come out. They blend seamlessly back into the style. Now, all I did was take it out of the box, give it a shake, apply it, and then find a part and then just rake it back. A lot of times you see me rake it back away because I can't have it flopping in my face while I'm doing the review. And I naturally like a little bit of contour at the front. We're going to see if we can get that here in just a moment. But again, right out of the box, it only weighs about 4 ounces. It's really lightweight. It feels like a dream on the head. I remember on most Belle Tress styles, they run a little average large. I have a petite average circumference, so I really have to make an exaggerated adjustment with Belle Tress to accommodate that circumference. So you will also enjoy very little to no permatease. They do a fantastic job at creating wonderful body and movement and structure without using a lot of permatease. So it just feels like you're reaching in and patting your head. I don't sense any of that soft pillowy permatease. Now what that also does is it prevents you from getting any sustainable volume and lift. So the profile that you see here is what is sustainable. And if you want to have something a little more voluminous, you may need to use a little bit of product. But how wonderful is this little bob with its flippy ends? So it's just so impressionable. So if you like it flipped in, it would just take some hand maneuvering to achieve that. Now I like my layers just really nice and separated. So I bring air into all of the layering, and that gives me a nice fluffier look. And once in a while, if I'm wearing this all day, I'll just sneak into the little girls' room somewhere, take it off and give it a nice shake, bring air back into it, and refresh it for the day. Your tucks are spectacular. That's one thing I've noticed with some of the bobs like this, especially those by Raquel Welch. They're just such a heavy density right there at the ear tab. It's difficult to get a believable tuck. All right, let's take a look at this color, and then I want to show you up close on the lace. So this color Crushed Almond R is a combination of some light blondes. It's leaning more cool, I think, but you are going to see some warmer elements to it. It's a light blonde lover's dream. It does have more of a light to medium root. So here's the lace front. My goodness, their ear-to-ear lace is just tremendous. So you've got that ear-to-ear, it wraps right into that ear tab. They knot every other hole or so, giving that the nice natural look there at the hairline. It's a fine density right there at the hairline, and it gets a little bit thicker as you move back. What a soft, natural look. Belle Tress has really knocked it out of the park with these new lace fronts. So this is my favorite part, guys. I like to show you what this wig can do. So in my styling segment, you're gonna see where I'll just manipulate the wig. I'll inspire you to style it, but it's really to get you more familiar with this style in action. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon, right here at TAZSWIG Closet.